everyone, Micah here with Electrek, and today we're reviewing the Ride1Up Portola, a budget-priced folding fat tire electric bike. Come along with us while we check it out.
I'm just gonna say this right off the bat. The Ride1Up Portola is one of the highest value, best bang for your buck electric bikes available in the US market right now. Yes, there are more powerful or faster or fancier bikes, but the value here is what is incredible. Starting with the price of $995, you're getting a lot of great features and performance here. For starters, this is a Class 3 capable e-bike, meaning you can unlock speeds of up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist, or you can stick to 20 miles an hour on throttle only. The 750 watt motor in the rear will get you there, though I did find that it wasn't particularly jumpy off the line. For some people, that's an advantage for smoother starts. When you're like me and enjoy flying forward from a start though, you tend to miss the bottom end power. But I think it's reasonable, and it's something that differentiates it from the cheaper bikes that positively launch off the line, but that sometimes aren't as refined or controllable. Next, for the battery, we've actually got two options. The base model's a 48 volt 10.4 amp hour battery, or you can upgrade to a 13.4 amp hour pack for $100 more, which I'd recommend. The base model might get you 20 miles on throttle, while the upgraded one will do closer to 25 to 28 miles on throttle, depending on conditions, and of course you can get between 50 to 100% more range if you want to use pedal assist. And I love how the battery is frame integrated yet removable without folding the bike. Speaking of that, you can fold the bike simply, and I like the slick safety button on the handlebar mechanism, as it makes it extra safe with a second safety feature against premature folding up there. There's also a nice canvas strap built into the rear rack to keep the bike folded. It's nice to see this much thought put into the folding system, though to be fair, most riders will probably never fold the bike, so let's move on to more features. The tires here are 20 by 3 inch, which many of you will already know is my favorite size. The 3-inch tire is a compromise between a normal and a fat tire, giving you more agility like a regular tire, yet being fat enough to add comfort and offer a bit of off-roading potential. The front suspension fork also helps with that comfort, though it's the tire in the rear that really helps absorb the bumps that would otherwise be going up your spine. Next, check out these brakes. Hydraulic brakes on a sub-$1,000 e-bike? Normally it's just the Electrek XP that gives us that value, so it's awesome to see it here. And in fact, the Ride1Up Portola is basically the most direct competitor to the Electrek XP we've seen. And in some ways, I think it wins. The design is slicker in my opinion. It doesn't have quite the same weight rating, but it's got a great looking design, and 300 pounds of weight capacity on this bike is going to be enough for most people. I would have opted for a brighter color myself, as the charcoal color here is just a bit muted, but I can't dock them on design points since the frame is nicely sweeping and it looks great. Plus, there are all those accessories you can add, like the passenger package, which turns this into a two-person bike. Talk about utility potential. At under $1,000, or $1,100 if you're getting the long-range version of the bike, the Ride1Up Portola is a seriously high-value ride. It looks good, it feels good, and it rides good. I will say that at my height, 5'7" or 170 centimeters, I found that I was almost maxing out the seat tube's extension. They say the bike fits riders up to 6'4", and I have no doubt those vertically blessed folks could ride it, but I don't think they'll get far leg extension. As it stands, I've got about 2 more inches I can raise the seat here and then it maxes out, so it's something to think about if you're super tall. But for most of us, it's gonna fit like a glove. That step-through design is easy to ride and the bike just feels great under you. 8 speeds, easy to read display, 28 mile per hour capability, easily removable battery. It's just a very nicely thought out and put together e-bike. Again, it's not the best out there, but for $1,000 bucks, it might just be the best in its category, and that's how you judge an e-bike after all.
Thanks for watching everyone. We hope you enjoyed that review of the Ride1Up Portola. If you did, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future electric vehicle videos. We'll see you here next time.